Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your GIF on the Momento application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select the picture you would like to edit. Slide to the right side down below till you find the filters button and click on it. Here you can find a bunch of preset filters: chrome, fade, instant, mono, noir, process, tonal, transfer, lucid, sunny, emerald, coral, shiny, glinda, teal, mellow, ivory, washed, and so on. So if you want to try out any of these, just tap on the relevant one and then you can adjust it by the help of this slide down below. As you can see, some of them are only available to premium users. They are indicated with this try icon, but many of these are available for not premium users too. You can also adjust them by the help of this slide. So after selecting the relevant one, click on the done button down below in the right side corner and tap on the save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.